Now we are at the Nordic Genetic Resource Center and we are doing an experiment with cabbage, and we are comparing accessions or cultivars from two gene banks from the VIR Institute in Russia and from NordGen here in Sweden, and we are comparing accessions with similar names but within the two gene banks. And here is row number 4. It's a Amager Hög, and here is another Amager Hög from NordGen collection. Third Amager Hög, also from NordGen collection. It's also one from the Russian gene bank. Another one, also Amager Hög selection. Another one, row number 9. Row number 10. Now we are over to the Amager small or Kurz. One accession from VIR Institute and one accession other also from VIR Institute. And here now we are Amager tidig winter. It's an early winter variety, it says. And it's a white cabbage. And here is one from VIR Institute, also Amager winter, but as you see it's completely different. It's red cabbage. Here's also Amager winter, a selection, green, white cabbage. Now we are over on accessions called the Flawless Blåtopp. This one from VIR Institute. This also from VIR Institute. And this as well. It's a selection from Kvithamar. And now is another selection, Kvithamar selection, also from VIR Institute. Now here is a NordGen accession. It's called Tidlig vid Kvithamar, an early selection. Here's the last one, called Blåtopp Kvithamar, row number 22. So here is two red cabbages. They are one from the VIR Institute and one from the NordGen collection of the same name, called Kissendrup. And if you look closer to this from the VIR collection, they are red cabbages, but some with very green leaves, big variation in maturation or oiliness and so on. So it's a very old accession from VIR Institute, and it's also very diverse. And you see also here a third one. It's a Landerting Summer. It's a summer debut from NordGen, and also one other from NordGen. Look quite similar. Here is row number 28. Two winter types, they look quite similar. Now we have harvested it already. So it's the early variety, Rumpfen and Kumpfen. And you see one other one. Here is with the cabbages lying here. You see some variation between plants within one accession. And here is the last Rumpfen and Kumpfen. It's harvested, but I'd like to show still some plants that we have not harvested. They are not mature. And here is one plant in this accession which is completely different. And also this one. Different leaves, not mature at all. So it's a great variation within accession. Okay, we have Staup, Trønderstaup, and both from the VIR Institute. They are quite similar, but here is Dural resistant. Two accessions is almost similar name. They look not the same. There is Jotunsalgets vinterkål. It's a Norwegian, pair of Norwegian accessions. They could be the same. And here is a Loke from Vavilov Institute and from the NordGen collection. And now we have been harvesting this Moens hvitkål and also Olsok and another Olsok. And if you have a look at them, you see Moens hvitkål here, and you have one of the Olsok accessions here. You have described the characters inside the heads, and you have the other one here. They look quite similar. So in the end of the experiment here is just 2 rows to protect in the end of the experiment, so it doesn't get influenced by the row edge. So this is the experiment we are doing.